Welcome. New Friday, new time of studying. So, the AI Fluency Framework and Foundations was completed. They gave me a nifty certificate. Not only do they do that, they actually share with you a list of your accomplishments, and so you could add it to your profile. This is wonderful. Okay, so how did my mind go as it relates to this time around? So you have to remember I'm basing it on already what was shared by Anthropic. I mean, absolutely, I'm trying to figure out how to become a partner in crime. Well, not crime, but it's just they didn't reply back to me yet. And so, because I still want to learn, I still want to build, and like I said, like a week or two ago, they added the associate one because they only had like the architect and like they're building and having it built out. You see, it says Partner Academy. I am not a partner. And so, only partners are able to take that exam. And, person view, and, you know, you take it and they track your eyes to make sure you're not cheating. So, don't cheat. So then what did I do was I was like, okay, cool. We do want to learn the foundations and build up. So this is what they shared with us it was about. And then even though we can't do this, we can't do the partners one, we could do the free courses and scale up that way. So check for Claude 101, going back here. I'll X out of that. I'll X out of that. Done, Claude 101. And so then now it's just this idea of, okay, introduction to Claude co-work, excuse me, is going to be the next thing. And then I already did Fluency and Framework Foundations. So what did it look like for us to do that? Well, what I did was a lot of different works. I did study notes for this for the ladies. And so there's a whole study note that looks very nice. And I had to tell it more than once, like make sure you organize my bullets accordingly. Not only did I do the study notes on the AI fluency because they did it in a markdown. I don't need a markdown. I need to be able to keep track of what I'm looking at. So it was very thorough as it relates to introduction to AI fluency. What does it mean to be fluent? We talked a lot about in this delegation, description, discernment, diligence. And so that could be something that y'all review and see. And I had to make sure that I made it as an artifact so that people could get it. Right, next, what happened? I did create a quiz. So we had a quiz and we were going to do the quiz, but then we were doing the quiz and we were failing. We were like, this is not a good thing. We are not doing good. But one of the things I liked about the quiz is that you're able to pick and then it gave us the explanation and then where to find it. So you could actually absolutely share with your tool how you want to do that. And so this was all recorded on Zoom. And now, after it's all said and done, I know I have to go into my handy dandy folder and share, okay, these are the links. But before I do that, I'm going to download the transcripts from the study group because one other person came. All you need is one, team. All you need is one. And that's responsibility enough for me. So that she was my one. I'm going to go back into my project and then I'm going to create another chat. I'm going to upload the file as it relates to the downloads because I want to create an agenda for others so that they'll know and information in that way. So what I'll have to do is let me go back to otter.ai. And of course, I could type in here, share with me what my agenda was. So it will share with me what my agenda was. It's like, good stuff. Thanks, otter.ai, because we just went with the flow. And so here it is. Here is the agenda. Sometimes what I see is that the agenda that this might have is something else, and then I want to beautify it. So that means I'm going to go back into here, into my project, and I'm going to upload my transcript. And mind you, y'all, we all work differently. You're going to find a method that works for you. I do this in this way, roundabout way. I'm using Whisper when I speak, so because I can't type that much, y'all. It's a lot of work. Share with me an agenda, put it into a document that's clear so that other people will know what we did today. Outside of the agenda, you could also add a notes section and other things. Share with me what might be other things that we should add so that we could share with others. So you're seeing that I am prompting, I am sharing, like, hey, I want this done. But then I'm also saying, hey, give me advice and give me suggestions. So as that work and what it works, I am going to go here and I'm going to go into my study. So one of the things I know I have to do is a curriculum study tracker. So keep people honest, or keep me honest. We didn't actually use this today, but I liked how Claude created me for me the tracker. But we did finish both of these. So definitely really excited. They have my Pace Week 4 quiz artifact link. Okay, great. So now what happens is I could go in here and I'm going to duplicate this because it's still running and you can run things simultaneously. What I could do is go into my artifact, AI Fluency, go to, so there's an example project that I really liked that they did. So, well, the exercise was you should do the project, but you know, your girl Tasha just asked it to do it for her. All right, so this is the study notes. So what we're gonna do is make sure publish the artifact, and then I'm gonna copy the link. And so this will be the notes. And so I could just put another thing and put the notes here. So I don't have to upload notes. Artifact. Let's make it proper. Notes. Artifact. You don't even know how to spell artifact. Artifact. Okay, so that's there for that. What I'm gonna do is combine this, and so I don't need this because we did all of it. And so I will just do this, go here, shift, control, paste this here. Actually delete this because we don't need it. And then, what is it saying? Deep dive, boom. So we have the artifact on the study notes and everything we did today. It's really dope, really cool. I also liked how it planned certain things for me. So deep dive effective prompting techniques. I did the video notes. Okay, wonderful. So what did they do here? Women Build AI class, said boom. I like this. It's in MD. Great. Projects on the table. Notes in parking lot. Great. Put in a document. I can put in a drive. And so yes, you should read. I'm using Fable or Opus now, and I could glimpse at it. The question, we're sharing sessions split in 3 ways. Question, okay, keeping and no going back exam. 2 things I left for potential right now. Source predicated defeats the purpose of scale. Okay, great. So we will have this for the community. I'm going back. So like I said, I did do a handy dandy quiz. I will drop the quiz link for you all. This is the full quiz. Let's see, did it do, yep, publish artifact, publish and copy link. Great. So there's a 30 point quiz. So hopefully y'all could do the quiz. You'll learn, it's good for you. I don't know what they said here, so I'm not gonna bother. Yeah, certificate was the AI Fluency deep dives. And so that's accomplished. So now anyone could do 30 questions and tell me what you got. Okay, now we are going to basically have this recap, questions, sharing. So it's building the Word version for me. That's great. And what I would do is go back to Otter.ai. I don't mind. And then I'm going to ask Otter.ai to create for me I don't know why Otter.ai just did not show me. It got tired. It was like, we're not going to show her. Summary. Takeaways. Where's my AI? Make it bigger. Okay, great. Create for me a LinkedIn post so I could share with others, and also a Facebook post which I could share with others my work in doing this thing so that they could see the video. And it will create that for me. Again, I'm using Whisper so I don't type that much. It didn't work. Create for me a LinkedIn post that I could post as it relates to this video. Great. It will do that. Sometimes I don't even read what I just trust that it's going to type. All right, so this is what it posted. Okay. And you don't have to be a woman experimenting. You could just be like you're experimenting. And my task is that they do the AI Fluency, and then they post their, PNG, a snapshot that they did it. My PNG would be below in the comment section too. Okay, that's working on that end. Let's see what it did for me. The recap for the ladies and build. Great. Wonderful. The Claude co-work, have solo, have together. We'll do that next week. And so automation, augmentation, agency, the 4D framework, lines worth memorizing, glossary terms we need, projects on the table. I'm going to talk about Fender in my pocket and my app. And then action items and notes. So this is wonderful. Okay, so it has what we need. I would share that with the group. This made another post for me. Let me go into LinkedIn. I'm going to post this into my LinkedIn. And then what I also have to do is I'm going to have to home, start a post. Okay. Today's women, boom, boom, da da da. Today we turned. So yeah, I don't like how they don't give me what I need in indentation, but I'll fix that. And so I'm just gonna go to Claude and say, create for me a post to put in LinkedIn so I could share with others about this. I would be dropping in my PNG in the comment section so they could see it. And then also create a post for my Facebook so I could show people what I'm building and what's bringing me excitement. And so yeah, at the end you will get this video. There will be these links in there in the most likely in the comments or in the post, so then you yourself could track. All right. If you have any comments or just curious why I do this like this, just tell me ideas. I'm here for it.